Okay, I'm going to show you my new pack system. This is something I developed last year and kind of out of necessity. And I'm going to show you kind of how it works and yeah, whatever you guys want to do with it, take it and run with it. So, a little backstory. Last year I went on a pack trip and to the Bob Marshall Wilderness, and I've done this trip 3 or 4 times. I normally have saddlebags, and I've got several saddlebags. I use them on horse, very familiar with them. I've got a set of medicine bags for my doctor cattle. I've got a couple different sizes of saddlebags for when I go trail riding and this, that, kind of thing. So, yeah, pretty familiar. Yeah, they work pretty good. Like yeah, traditional kind of thing. The other day when I went to Montana, I did not take my saddlebags. I forgot them here. Kind of slipped my mind. So I get ready to go, and I need to take some stuff into, on my trip, and I don't have saddlebags. So I have got some MOLLE bags. I don't know if you guys know what MOLLE bags are. They're these bags. They've got a little deal on the back that you can attach stuff to them. They're used in the military quite a bit. The MOLLE system. Those bags come in a variety of different sizes. So I had some, and I actually had a little deal that goes in the back of my, on the back seat, on the back of my seat in my truck, that you can put these on if you need to attach stuff to it. So I used one of those in the back of my saddle. Worked pretty good. When I got home, I said, it worked actually pretty nice with that cloth over there. I found some MOLLE deal. This is a grid system. They have several different, this is I think it's a heavy duty plastic, thermoplastic, and it's got it's got everything cut out in it. I got a pretty good size one that I cut out to fit the back of the saddle. I'll show you some pictures of it mounted on the saddle, and then a little piece on both sides. The nice thing about this is you can mount whatever you want on there. So if you're going in the backcountry, you need a saw or an axe or something. Maybe you're stretching some fence, you need a fence stretcher. If you're pulling calves and you need something like that, some Moby chains or whatever, you can mount that on there, either across the back or along the side, and you can kind of keep it out of the way. And then, of course, you can have your bags. When I was, going in there, I kind of needed my water bottle, my binoculars, my bear spray, and whatever I was going to have a snack for lunch, as well as maybe a high tie to tie up my horse if I was going to stop somewhere. And I needed them kind of separated so I wasn't digging through my saddlebag to find whatever it was I was looking for. So the nice thing about this deal is, you can have a little insulated container. This is a little insulated cooler on one side for your lunch, and then you can have a little bottle for your water or whatever you're drinking, a little deal for your bear spray, bag for your binoculars or whatever you want to put on there. So you can mount, maybe you need a first aid kit. This is my pretty good size one. Like that's the one I kind of take into the backcountry, and then I've got a little smaller one that I use for everyday kind of stuff. So you can mount whatever you want, kind of wherever you want it, and then yeah, if you're going to do a specific job, maybe you're doctoring cattle, you can stick one on there that's got your stuff for vaccinations and this and that and the other thing, and ear tags and tag and gun and all that kind of stuff. And then if you're going, doing some fencing, put your fence stretcher on there. So it makes it a little bit easier to mix and match and put whatever you want on there. You might have a bag on top that's got the stuff that you always carry on. Maybe you always have a pistol with you, or a pair of binoculars or something to look at something. And then you can modify your sides for whatever you're doing. So yeah, it works pretty good. Mounts on a saddle. There's a bunch of different mounting points that you can put on there. Yeah, kind of anyway, something I just kind of developed out of necessity, and then I thought, it's a pretty good idea. So if any of you guys want to run with this idea, have at it. Let me know how it works. Make some money off it and spread the word. Anyway, hope this tip helps. Catch you guys later.